One is a appreciating asset. But there are things which you buy, and moment you buy, their value decreases.
Hi everyone, जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी. दिस इज चीफ इंजीनियर प्रणीत मेहता. वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल मर्चेंट नेवी डिकोडेड. मैं बैठा हूँ चीफ इंजीनियर राजीव कौशिक सर के साथ और आज का वीडियो इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू कवर वन ऑफ द मोस्ट बेसिक फंडामेंटल्स लाइक वी कवर्ड इन द अर्लियर वीडियो अबाउट सेविंग्स वर्सेज इन्वेस्टमेंट. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड द सिंपल टॉपिक कॉल्ड एसेट वर्सेज लाइबिलिटीज़. आज तो मैं सर से बात करके सीखने की कोशिश करूँ. देयर हैज़ बीन अ लॉट ऑफ डिस्कशन बट आई रिमेंबर आई रेड अ बुक कॉल्ड रिच डैड पुअर डैड बाय रॉबर्ट कियोसाकी एंड अंडरस्टूड the word liability and asset in my own fundamental concept. तो बट सर आज सर से जानने की कोशिश करेंगे. सर लेट्स टॉक अबाउट liabilities first.
It is a very simple English term that anything for which we have to pay in future, that becomes a liability. If you want examples, all the loans that we take at whichever rate of interest, whether it is a personal loan, it is a gold loan, it is a loan for the house, loan for the car especially, and loan for even education. If we take the loan for ourselves or our children, it is a liability.
सर क्रेडिट कार्ड्स के बारे में.
Credit card is one of the biggest liability because you are consuming it today, but you have to pay it off in the next 50 days because you are given 50 days in that cycle, and the rate of interest is very very high, but it is one of the most dangerous liability to have.
Okay, great. Sir, expensive gadgets के बारे में like buying.
Biggest liability. Expensive gadgets are the biggest liability in the sense that any electronic, as you know, very soon it is replaced by a model. Any computer, any laptop, tablet which you buy, it's always the software changing the hardware, so it's everything new starts coming. So you cannot even say that I have bought this thing for 50,000 and tomorrow I can sell it for 25,000. I'm sure you cannot.
So sir, that's fine with me understanding the liabilities part. Guys, again, saving is the first most important part. We'll keep repeating. दिमाग से जाना नहीं चाहिए. Let's come. Sir, now let's talk about assets, sir. First, the definition.
So asset is anything which you acquire with your own money.
That is your savings.
That is your savings. Or by selling some of your investments which you have at a later stage, but which you have acquired and it is yours now. You don't have any loan to pay on that, because I will give you the example of a house. A house can be purchased by upfront paying, or you can buy it on a loan. But when you buy a house on a loan, that house is not yours till you pay the last EMI. It is not yours. Even if one EMI is remaining and you're not able to pay for whatever reason, that house does not belong to you. If the same house has, so it is not an asset, it is a liability, because it is coming from a future savings, what you will earn,
right, sir,
or earnings. But if you have bought it out of your money, it is an asset.
Upfront means कि 60 लाख का घर है, 60 लाख तुमने straight away दिए and you have
घर आपका आ गया.
घर आपका आ गया. That is then it becomes an asset. Okay sir, other assets that you can talk about, sir?
Yes. Other things which you can buy out of your money,
gold
is gold. Then you can put the same money in a bank. It's a fixed deposit. That also can be called an asset because the money has stayed. It is not investment, but it is an asset. Then you can put it in mutual funds. You can buy stocks. So stocks, as you know, they are like small partnerships in different companies.
Stock market का नाम सबने सुना होगा भाई. जय माता दी.
So that is certainly an asset.
Now sir, you just now told me कि assets are also of two kinds. Can you please name those two kinds?
Assets definitely are two types. One is an appreciating asset, which goes up. And normally a house and real estate can be considered in this category.
Even gold sir, अभी तो gold का rate भी टिल्ट करके ऊपर ही जा रहा है.
Gold is certainly appreciating asset, but there are things which you buy, and moment you buy, their value decreases. And all the luxury items like cars, even if you have bought it with your money, is the biggest depreciating asset. Moment you drive out of the showroom, the insurance is made on 10% less value than what you paid for it. First thing. So first year only in advance, your depreciation is applied in advance. And next year again 10%, and next year again 10%. So you see, in a period of 5 years, the car has lost half of its value. And if it is a luxury car, the more is the price of the car, the faster is the depreciation. This everybody understands.
सो गाइज सी, अभी बहुत सारे वीडियोस आगे बनेंगे कि क्या हमें घर लेना चाहिए, शुड वी पुट इट ऑन रेंट, शुड वी बाय अ फ्लैट, पुट इट ऑन रेंट, सर के व्यूज़ निकल के आएंगे. बट बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन एसेट एंड लाइबिलिटी इज नोन. लाइबिलिटीज़ प्लीज़ अवॉइड देम एज मच एज पॉसिबल. जब भी कोई खर्चा आता है देखो कि लाइबिलिटी है या वो एसेट बनने वाला है. एंड इन एसेट्स ऑलवेज ट्राई टू गो फॉर दोज एप्रिशिएटिंग एसेट्स रादर देन गोइंग फॉर दोज डेप्रिशिएटिंग एसेट्स. राइट सर? सो विद दिस वील एंड दिस वीडियो. थैंक यू वेरी मच. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता.